Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand guys. Today you can see here BTC is of course again 70,000 weather. Oh my goodness, it is crazy, and possibilities to do a breakout, and again 73, 72, absolutely possibilities. But right now we are close our position on long side and still waiting for a breakout, or because this is very strong support whether it was not a small, of course, but whether so many time it will return from here. As you can see here, it is a big turning point and a big crash. Oh my goodness. So right now we will expect, we were so worried about this my brother, when you can see here when it will reach for this. That's why we are quick, little bit quick close position, but we will make my brothers much crazy profit from again Bitcoin. I strongly recommend you my brothers to you join my Telegram group. On Telegram I also give you a signal and you will print money like machine. Okay, so must join my Telegram group. It is very important to know about my strategy, because we will win 100% because of power up strategy. Okay, so if you can see here my brother, this time very 60% chances to it was to a breakout. Okay, because very strong, but also my brothers 40% chances to it was to a breakdown. We can't trade my brothers on breakdown if it will be turned, because this time all time BTC is an uptrend, so therefore we ignore the short, but we will be long if it will do a breakout. Okay, thanks for watching everybody, hope you enjoy video. Must join my Telegram group, because on Telegram I daily provide you 10 to 15 signal, so make money every day my brothers. See you next time.